Hello again, this is PH Digital, and I just want to do a quick video about the Samsung Active 2. And I got a question online, and someone asked me how to enable the daily briefing alerts. And if I scroll to the right, notifications, unless I've canceled the daily briefing, it should still be on here. There it is, daily briefing. It's a cloudy day. Let's see what you have planned. And then you click on it, and it shows you the weather, shows you your calendar. Oh, now we have to go back. And my favorite part, it shows you battery. 61%. 1 day, 5 hours in, 42 minutes of battery life remaining. And if you click on those three dots, you can open the settings for your daily briefing times. Or if you're on the home screen, slide down, go to Settings, Watch Faces, Display, Advanced. Keep scrolling, touch to wait, touch sensitivity, do not disturb. Right there, daily briefing. Click on daily briefing. You can set briefing times on, and then you can choose when you want the daily briefing. I have mine at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. because I think that's fun. And if you don't like it, you can change it. Wait, what was that error? Can't set same time for morning and evening. Okay, that's new. So we'll change it to 8:01. Okay, that's funny. And then anytime, yeah, you can just turn that off, manually set. And of course, there's a help. Samsung's pretty good about that. Daily briefings appear on your watch twice a day by default. Morning briefings arrive when you start your day, and evening summaries show up before you go to bed. But you can change when your briefings appear. Morning briefings tell you the day's weather and what's on your schedule for the day, based on the data from your calendar and reminder apps. Evening summaries give you an overview of your health info for the day and remind you about any unfinished tasks remaining in the reminder app. So there you go. Pretty cool, right? I think so. So again, daily briefing, it's under advanced. So swipe down, go to settings, scroll, or slide your finger, go to advanced, and it's pretty much all the way at the bottom. Oh, a little too far. Screen capture, daily briefing. And that's how you configure daily briefing on the Samsung Active. It might be the same for the Samsung Galaxy Watch, but I'm positive it's the same for the Samsung Active, Active 2, and then this one, the Active 2 LTE. Come on, focus. Focus, camera. Whoop, there. Oh, there we go. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this was another video tutorial by PH Digital. That's all for now. Goodbye.